If you want to study well, you need to have a good study plan. But the plan should not be big or difficult. It should be easy and simple. Many students make a big plan, but later they feel tired or confused. So they stop following it. That is, not helpful. A good plan should make you feel clear and calm, not worried or stressed. You can start by asking yourself a few easy questions. What do I need to study today? How much time do I have today? When do I feel fresh and ready to study? Maybe you are a morning person. Maybe you like to study in the evening when the house is quiet. Choose the best time for you. Do not copy others. Everyone is different. You should study when your brain feels active. Next, write down your study time on paper or on your phone. This makes your plan real. If you only keep it in your head, you may forget or skip it. A written plan helps you stay on track, but don't make it too full. Keep your goals small. Don't say, I will study for 5 hours today, if you know you cannot do it. Say something simple like, I will read 5 pages today, or I will learn 10 new words today. These small goals are easy to finish. When you finish them, you feel happy. This small success gives you the power to continue tomorrow. Also, try to break your study time into short parts. For example, you can study for 25 minutes and then take a 5-minute break. This is called the Pomodoro method. It helps you focus without feeling tired. It also makes your study time more interesting and less boring. Always remember, the best plan is the one you can follow every day. It should match your time, your energy, and your goals. Don't try to be perfect. Just try to be regular. Even 1 hour a day is enough if you follow it daily. This is how real progress starts. But even if you have a good plan, you can still lose focus. In the next part, we will talk about something very important: how to stay away from distractions while studying. Stay away from distractions. Now, let's talk about something very important: distractions. Distractions are the things that stop you from studying. Maybe your phone keeps buzzing. Maybe you get messages from friends. Maybe you want to watch TV, or maybe there is too much noise around you. These things break your focus. When your focus breaks, it becomes hard to understand and remember what you are studying. That is why it is very important to stay away from distractions. You must protect your study time like it is something special. If you are serious about learning, then you must also be serious about creating a quiet time and space. First, keep your phone away from you. If you cannot do that, then put your phone on silent mode or turn off the notifications. This way, you will not check it again and again. If someone calls you or sends a message, you can reply after your study time is over. Studying comes first. Also, talk to your family or friends and tell them kindly, "This is my study time. Please don't disturb me." Most people will understand and support you. Next, try to sit in a place that is quiet and clean. If your study space is clean, your mind will also feel calm and fresh. A peaceful place helps you to concentrate better. Sometimes your brain feels tired. That's okay. You don't need to study for many hours without a break. Take a small break for 5 or 10 minutes. Walk around, drink some water, or stretch your body. Then come back and study again. These small breaks give you fresh energy and help your brain work better. Now that you have a good space and your focus is strong, it is time to follow your study routine every day. Follow your routine every day. Now let's talk about something very important. You need to follow your study routine every day. Yes, every single day. Not just when you feel happy, not just when you feel strong. Even when you feel lazy or tired, try to study a little. You don't need to do big things every day. But doing small things every day will help you win. Many people wait for the right mood to study. They say, "I don't feel like studying today." But if you wait for a perfect mood, you will waste many days. Mood is like the weather. It changes again and again. But your study time should not change. Try to make your study time a habit. Just like you brush your teeth or eat your meals, you should study every day at the same time. This will make your brain ready for study. If you miss one day, that's okay. Life happens. But never miss 2 days in a row. If you miss 2 days, your habit becomes weak, and it becomes harder to start again. Also, don't forget to give yourself a small reward. After you finish studying, watch a short fun video, or eat your favorite snack. This helps your brain feel happy. Your brain says, studying brings me good things. And next time, you will want to study again. Remember, small steps every day are better than big steps once a week. Keep doing your best, one day at a time. Now you may ask, how do I know if my study plan is working or not? Good question. Check and improve your plan. Now let's talk about the last and very important step. Check and improve your plan. This means you should look at your study plan every week and ask yourself some simple questions. Is my plan working well? Am I learning something new every day? Can I remember what I studied? If the answer is yes, then you are doing a good job. Keep going. You are on the right path, but if the answer is no, then do not worry. It is okay. You just need to change a few things. Maybe your plan is too hard. Maybe you are trying to study too much in one day. Or maybe you are not taking enough breaks. You do not have to feel bad. You just need to make your plan better. Remember, a good study strategy is one that helps you. It should not make you tired, bored, or sad. It should make you feel happy and proud. Try to ask yourself these questions every week. What did I learn this week? What was easy for me? What was difficult? What can I do better next time? When you ask these questions, you will learn more about your study habits. And when you know yourself better, you can make a better plan for the next week. Small changes can make a big difference. Keep checking. Keep improving. This is how you grow. This is how you become a smart and strong learner. Now, it's your turn. Make your simple plan today. Start small, stay strong, and remember, never stop learning. If you liked this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips. Let's grow together. See you in the next video.